Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ledger Live and install Ethereum app step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Ledger website at ledger.com. Once on the home page, locate that apps section from the menu. Click on it to access the Ledger Live application information. Look for the Download Ledger Live button on this page. Choose the version suited for your operating system, either Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click the corresponding download link to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded file in your folder. Double-click the file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open Ledger Live. If prompted, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer. Unlock your wallet by entering your PIN. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Manager tab on the left sidebar. You may see a message prompting you to update your device's firmware, if needed. Follow the instructions to update your firmware before proceeding. Next, locate that Apps section within the Manager tab. In the search bar, type Ethereum to find the Ethereum app. Once you find it, click the Install button next to the Ethereum app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you will see the Ethereum app listed in your apps. To finish, disconnect your Ledger device from the computer safely. Your Ledger Live is now set up and ready to manage your Ethereum. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.